Welcome to Master English Stories. Today, we bring you not just a story but a path. A path many people dream about, but few truly walk. A path full of fear, but also full of power. This is for anyone who says, I want to speak English, but doesn't know where to begin. Let us take you on that journey step by step. If you want to speak English, truly speak it, then stop waiting. You do not need a special day. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need a classroom, a teacher, or a thick grammar book. You only need one thing, the courage to start. Think of a child. A small child speaks without fear. They don't care about grammar. They don't care if people laugh. They just speak. That is how they learn. That is how we all learn it, our first language. So why are you afraid now? Because someone told you that mistakes are bad. Because someone laughed when you said something wrong. Because you believe that your English must be perfect. Let me tell you, it will never be perfect. Not even native speakers speak perfect English. What matters is that you speak anyway. Open your mouth. Let the words come out. Even if they're slow. Even if they're broken. Even if they're wrong. Because broken words are better than no words. Because mistakes are not failures, they are signs of progress. How to begin? If you want to speak English, begin small. Speak to yourself. Stand in front of a mirror. Say simple sentences. I am learning English. My name is Sarah. I want to speak better. Say them again, and again, and again. Next, speak while you do daily tasks. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making tea. I'm going outside. This is not silly. This is smart. You are teaching your brain to think in English. Then, speak to your phone. Record yourself. Listen. Laugh. Repeat. Then, speak with a friend or a stranger online. Join a group. Talk about your day. Share your thoughts. Ask questions. Listen. Respond. One sentence, then another, and another. This is how confidence is built. One small moment at a time. Use what you know. You don't need to know 5,000 words. You don't need to master 12 verb tenses. You can say almost anything with simple words. For example, instead of, I was deeply frustrated due to the unexpected delay, just say, I was very angry because it was late. Clear, simple and true. Use words you know. Mix them. Play with them. Let your tongue get used to the rhythm. Think in English. When you're walking. When you're waiting. When you're alone. Say things in your mind. It's hot today. I feel tired. This food is good. Soon, your brain will stop translating. It will start living in English. Surround yourself with English. If you want to speak English, live in English. Not just in class, not just for 1 hour. Make it part of your life. Watch English movies, listen to English songs, read simple English stories, follow English-speaking YouTubers, change your phone language to English, put English notes around your room. Make English a part of your world. Even if you don't understand everything, that's okay. Just like a baby listens to language before they speak, you are preparing your brain. Little by little, it becomes easier. Words become familiar. Phrases become natural. Don't fear mistakes. Mistakes are not shameful. They are beautiful. Each mistake is proof you are trying. Each mistake is a lesson. Each mistake brings you closer to fluency. If you never made a mistake, it means you never tried. Speak with mistakes, laugh at your mistakes, learn from your mistakes. One day, those mistakes will become memories, and your voice will become strong. Find your voice. English is not just about grammar. It's not just about exams. It's about expression. It's about sharing your heart with the world. Speak about what matters to you. Talk about your dreams. Your story, your life. Your accent is not a problem. It is your history. Your slow speech is not weakness. It is your journey. Find your voice and use it. Don't compare. Everyone learns at their own speed. Some learn fast. Some learn slow. Some speak well, but listen poorly. Others understand everything, but can't speak a word. That's normal. Don't say, "They're better than me." Say, "I'm better than yesterday." Your only competition is the you from 1 week ago. A new identity. When you start speaking English, something amazing happens. You don't just learn a language, you grow a new part of yourself. You become more open, more brave, more connected to the world. You can talk to people from every country and learn new ideas, share your story, make new friends. You become a citizen of the world. All because you spoke. The magic formula. You want a secret? A shortcut? Here it is. Speak every day. Speak with love. Speak without fear. If you speak 5 minutes a day, every day, for 1 year, your life will change. You don't need special skills. You don't need expensive classes. You just need to show up every day. That's the magic. Not talent. Not luck. Consistency. Speak now. Don't wait for tomorrow. Don't wait until you feel ready. Don't wait until your grammar is perfect, because that day may never come. Speak now. Start now with your broken words, with your heavy accent, with your fear. Speak now, and speak again tomorrow, and the next day, until one day you will no longer say, "I want to speak English." You will say, "I speak English," and the world will hear you. 5 habits of great English speakers. They celebrate progress. They use English in real life. They learn from everything. They stay curious. They keep going. More easy tips to speak better. Talk to yourself every morning. Use English when you play games or apps. Read out loud. Learn 5 words every day. Watch short English videos. 5 more helpful habits. Write a diary in English every night. Even 1 sentence is enough. Call a friend and talk only in English for 5 minutes. Repeat short sentences after your favorite YouTubers. Join English learning groups on social media. Speak in front of the mirror and act like you are telling a story. 5 positive mindset tips. Believe you can do it. Smile when you speak. It helps you feel relaxed. Don't wait to feel ready. Just begin. Be proud of every small step. Remind yourself why you want to learn English. 5 real-life practice ideas. Order food in English if possible. Ask for directions in English. Use English when writing emails or texts. Describe things around you in English. Record your voice talking about your day. 5 fun ways to learn. Sing English songs and learn the lyrics. Watch cartoons or kids shows with simple English. Play word games like word puzzles or crosswords. Write your own short story in English. Follow funny English meme pages to enjoy and learn. Speaking English is not a talent. It's a decision. A decision to try, a decision to show up, a decision to grow. So if you want to speak English, speak with courage, with heart, with purpose. And always remember, English is not just a language, it is your voice. It is your power. It is your bridge to the world. This was Master English Stories, helping you not just learn English, but live it, speak, and never stop.